Hello my friends, it's NG World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you how to remove wrinkles and get rid of wrinkles and fine lines with Vaseline, and it's super effective in vanishing wrinkles and fine lines. I have been tested with friends and family and it works even if you are over 70 years old. This magical remedy will work for you 100%. It removes the deep wrinkles and the fine lines, wrinkles on your forehead, around eyes, laugh line wrinkles, and super effective in getting you rid of fine lines naturally. All you need to do is apply it on your skin and see the magic. But before we start out, my friends, it's a request. If it's the first time you see my video and the first time you see my channel, then quickly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way every time I upload new remedy, you will be notified to watch it. And let's start with the remedy. The first thing we need in a clean mixing bowl, add 1 teaspoon of Vaseline, we need to add 1 teaspoon of olive oil, now we need to add 1 capsule of vitamin E capsule. Here I'm using 1000 milligrams of vitamin E, and cut it with a pair of scissors and add the vitamin E on it like that. Now we need to mix these ingredients. As you can tell, I mixed very well the ingredients. Now place it in a container or storage to store the remedy in it. And how to use: dip in your fingertips like so, and on your skin apply generous amount. Massage the skin with it for 5 minutes or 7 minutes. And go to sleep. In the next morning you will notice that the wrinkles is vanished literally, and your skin is getting fuller and will get tighter your skin.